a very exciting career, very adventurous. No 2 days are ever alike.
Everything that we do is big, is deep, is well paid.
There's nothing more challenging than trying to do a job underwater. Even something as simple as putting a nut on a bolt.
You get a lot of hands-on, a lot of time down there, get a lot of practice.
The best thing about the school, we pulled up a boat from the bottom of the water and brought it to the surface.
I would have to say underwater welding was my favorite. Exactly what I like to do. Take my time and make it perfect.
Divers Academy is hard work. You're gonna work long weeks, you're gonna work long days.
We really try and emphasize that they need to be a true professional diver, not just a commercial diver.
We have some instructors that had decades inland experience, some decades offshore experience, some military divers. When our students come through here, they have a good feel for the commercial diving industry as a whole.
I give students 110% of my knowledge and my experience. I'll make sure that if they don't understand something, to ask me again.
Our instructors here are real great. They're not teaching you out of the book, they're teaching through past experiences.
We need a strap for right here.
Our training at Divers Academy starts with the basic diving theory. Then we start with the basics out here in the water.
Our students love the fact that Divers Academy is very hands-on. You're looking at about 20% theory, planning out your projects. The 80% you're applying that theory and diving your plan.
As they advance through the program, the training and the tasks become more complex. They move through underwater welding and burning. They salvage a boat. They create a pipeline. They need to produce job hazard analysis. They do simulated surface decompression. Divers on oxygen, time begins.
Brand new facility was built for our training program.
Everything is state of the art.
Mixed gas training is very important for our industry now. The technology that the oil companies have developed is being applied in deeper and deeper waters, and divers need to be right there with them.
Before they even graduate, the students assess their career goals. We have almost 90% job placement rate.
They help you go out and reach out to jobs and put yourself in a position where you get hired on.
What I'm excited about doing when I graduate is heading down to the Gulf and establishing myself as a diver, and then moving up, getting into a supervisory position.
A lot of our graduates own their own companies now, so they seek out our students. They're prepared for their entry-level job, but the advanced certifications they earn here, it makes them prepared for advancement.
Our program is so founded on the fundamentals of diving and professionalism that our students can step into any aspect of the industry. Our graduates will get the job done because they've had the training.